Welcome everyone. This video is continuation of earlier videos on the topics general solution of trigonometric equations. In the first class, I have discussed the basic problems of general solution of trigonometric equation. In the second video, I have discussed some important problems of these chapters. Now, I am going to discuss some typical problems of general solution of trigonometric equation. Now look, this is a problem. Let third bracket x denotes greatest integer function and phi x equals to sin x plus cos x. Then most general solution of fx equals to third bracket phi 10 where fx equals to this is given by, you have to find solutions, general solutions. Now third bracket x, so what is phi x? So here phi x equals to sin x plus cos x. Now what is phi 10? Pi by 10 sin pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10. Now we know what is the maximum value. Maximum value of phi 10. Phi 10. So phi 10 lies between minus root 2 minus root 2 lesser than equals to pi by 10 lesser than equals to root 2. Now phi x equals to sin x plus cos x. What is pi by 10? Sin pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10 equals to sin 18 plus cos 18. So sin 18 plus cos 18, it is obviously positive, greater than 0. And what is maximum value? Maximum value is root 2. So 0 less than pi by 10 less than equals to root 2. So what is the greatest integer function of pi by 10? So this is 1.414. So greatest integer is 1. So we are calculating value of third bracket pi by 10 equals to 1. Now what is our equations? Our equations is fx equals to sin to the power 44x minus cos to the power 44x. So fx equals to phi 10. So this equals to phi 10 with greatest integer function. So sin to the power 44x minus cos to the power 44x. So 1 equals to sin to the power 44x minus cos to the power 44x. So we have already discussed this type of problem in earlier videos. So what we are getting, so sin to the power 44x equals to 1 plus cos to the power 44x. Now left hand side is always lesser than equals to 1 and right hand side is always greater than equals to 1. So what is the feasible case? Only feasible case is, so to get right hand side 1 cos to the power 4x equals to, so to get LHS equals to RHS, we must have cos to the power 44x equals to 0. So cos to the power 44, so cos x equals to 0. So x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So that is n pi plus pi by 2. N obviously belongs to z. So look again, phi pi by 10. So phi pi by 10, this is sin 18 plus cos 18. It is definitely positive. So value of phi pi by 10 lies between 0 to root 2. So what is the greatest integer value? This is 1. Now if we consider these equations, then we are getting 1 equals to this. So sin to the power 44x equals to this. So this is possible when cos to the power 4x equals to 0. So cos x equals to 0. So x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So there are many problems in the description list. We are solving one by one. Now problem number 2. There are 4 problems in one, 1A, B, C, similarly for 2. So we consider problem number 2. So look, this is not problem of general solutions. What is the problem? Alpha lies between 0 to pi, beta lies between 0 to pi, and this equation equals to 3 by 2. Then find value of alpha and beta. Now look, what is our equations? Our equations is cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha plus beta equals to 3 by 2. So this implies 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now what is formula of cos alpha plus beta? In terms of cos, 2 cos square beta by 2 minus 1 equals to 3 by 2. So we form a quadratic equation. This is alpha plus beta by 2 minus 1. So we form a quadratic equation in terms of cos square alpha plus beta by 2. So look, it is multiplied by 2. So 4 cos square alpha plus beta by 2. 2 into 2, 4. We are transferring to right hand side. Minus 4 cos alpha minus beta by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2. And this is minus 2 cos square. So minus 2, and this is minus minus plus. So this is plus 1. Plus 1 equals to 0. So look, if we consider this is cos alpha plus beta by 2 as x, we are getting a quadratic equation. So cos alpha is real, so discriminant is obviously greater than equals to 0. So since cos alpha plus beta by 2 belongs to R, this is quadratic equation in terms of cos alpha plus beta by 2, and it is real. Therefore, what is the discriminant? Discriminant greater than equals to 0. D greater than equals to 0. So what is value of D? So look, A is 4 and B is this one and C is 1. So 16 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 b square minus 4 into 1 into 4 greater than equals to 0. So what we are getting? Cos square alpha minus beta by 2 greater than equals to 1. So we know cos square alpha minus beta by 2 maximum value is 1. So it is possible when cos square alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 1 equals to cos 0. Cos square 0 you can take, so alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 0. So alpha equals to beta. Now putting alpha equals to beta to these equations, to the quadratic equations. So what is our quadratic equation? 4 cos square alpha plus beta by 2 minus 4 cos alpha minus beta by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So alpha equals to beta implies, so 4 cos square alpha minus 4 cos 0 is 1, 4 cos alpha plus 1 equals to 0. So 2 cos alpha minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So finally what we are getting, cos alpha equals to half, that is alpha equals to pi by 3. Alpha equals to pi by 3. So alpha equals to beta. So finally what we are getting, alpha equals to beta equals to pi by 3. So this is solution lying between 0 to pi. Now look, so look, using formula here, we are getting a quadratic equation in terms of cos alpha plus beta by 2. So since cos is real, discriminant greater than equals to 0, we are getting alpha equals to beta. Putting, you get alpha equals to beta equals to pi by 3. Then problem number 3. Look, these are all typical problems. Listen. Theta belongs to first quadrant. The solutions of the equation m equals to 1 to 6 cosec theta plus m minus 1 by 4 into pi cosec this equals to 4 root 2. So find value of theta in first quadrant. So for this type of problem, we calculate this part. So write so this part equals to 4. So this is sine theta plus m minus 1 by 4 into theta into sine theta plus m pi by 4. So this equals to 4 root 2. Now we know how to solve this type of equations. So look, what is the difference of angle? You have to express numerator as a difference of these two angles. So if you take difference, so m pi by 4 plus theta minus this. So what we are getting, m pi by 4 so write numerator in this form, m pi by 4 plus theta, this is a, m pi by 4 minus theta by 4 theta plus m pi by 4 minus theta by 4. So now theta pi by 4. So m pi by 4 cancel, theta cancel. What we are getting? Only pi by 4. So pi by 4 is extra at the numerator. So we balance it by pi by 4. And this one is unchanged. So this is very important problem of integration and trigonometric also. Theta plus m pi by 4 equals to 4 root 2. So look, actually this difference is sine pi by 4. So we are balancing it by sine pi by 4. Now what is our main aim? We try to express it as a difference of two terms. So sine A minus B. So look, what is the numerator? Sine m pi by 4 plus theta cos theta plus m pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus sine theta plus m pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos sin A cos B. This is cos m pi by 4 plus theta. So this one by sin pi by 4, then sin m pi by 4 plus theta sin theta plus m pi by 4 minus pi by 4 equals to 4 root 2. Now listen. So look. So this technique, this to be remembered. Numerator can be expressed as the difference of angle of denominator. Now sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, and this is formula of sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. So m pi by 4 plus theta minus m pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Sorry. So this by this, sin m pi by 4 is cancelled. So cot theta plus m pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus cot, this one is cancelled, m pi by 4 plus theta equals to 4. Why it is 4? You look, sin pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2. It will be at the numerator, 2 cancel. So this is our main m. This is our main m. Try to express this product as a difference. Now in our problem it is m equals to 1 to 6. m equals to 1 to 6. So cot theta plus m pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus cot m pi by 4 plus theta equals to 4. So listen, with summation right hand side is 4. So this is actually we are considering without summation. With summation this is considered as 4. So if we put m equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 6 and simplifying, we are getting only 2 terms. What are the terms? So look, if we put m equals to 1, so what we are getting? Cot theta. This is m pi by 4. So m equals to 1, cancel. Cot m pi by 4 plus theta. This is m equals to 1. So m equals to 2. So cot. So 2. This is pi by m equals to 2. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So theta plus pi by 4. Cot m pi by m equals to 2. So pi by 2 plus theta. So m equals to 1. m equals to 1. So pi by 4 cancel. m equals to 1. Pi by 4 plus theta. Then look, cot theta plus pi by 4. Cot, and finally if you put 6, so cot theta plus 6 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus cot 6 pi by 4 plus theta equals to 4. So we know this type of problem. So all term will be cancelled out. Only 2 term will remain. This first term and last term. So what is our problem? Cot theta minus cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta equals to 4. So cot theta, so this is odd multiple tan theta and it is in 4th quadrant minus 4. So we are getting this one. So we get a quadratic equations. So if it is 1 by tan theta plus tan theta equals to 4. Now this one is very simple. So simplifying we get value of theta. So tan square theta minus 4 tan theta plus 1 equals to 0. So tan theta equals to 4 plus minus. 16 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. So 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4. So 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So this is tan 15 degree. So tan theta equals to 2 minus root 3. So tan pi by 12. 15 degree, theta saman pi by 12. And tan theta equals to 2 plus root 3. So tan 75. So theta equals to 5 pi by 12. So theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So this is very typical problem. Now we consider, you look, now we consider second set of solutions. These are also typical problems. Look, problem number 5. Find all values of theta in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, satisfying 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta into sec square theta plus 2 tan square theta equals to 0. So solution in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So what is our equations? So this equation can be written as, so look, 1 minus tan square theta. This is sec square theta 2 to the power tan square theta. So our main aim will be to put this equation in terms of single trigonometric ratio. So look, if we put tan square theta equals to x, then what we are getting? 1 minus x. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus x, 2 to the power x equals to 0. So what is 2 to the power x? 1 plus x into x minus 1. So x square minus 1. Now this is transcendental equation. So mixed problem of, look, exponential and algebraic. So we try to solve it by trial method. So look, if we put x equals to 1, this is 2 and this is 0, not satisfied. If we put x equals to 2, so this is 4, 2 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, so 3, not satisfied. If we put x equals to 3, so 2 to the power 3 is 8. Now 3 square is 9 minus 1 equals to 8. So it is satisfied by x equals to 3. Now what is x? So tan square theta equals to 3. So tan theta equals to plus minus root 3. So what is theta? Taking positive pi by 6, taking negative minus pi by 6. Look, this is very simple problem, but look, you have to express this as equations. So eliminating tan theta, we get this type of equations. So this type of equations we solve by trial method. So solving, we get this one. Now suppose problem number this one. This is very simple problem. We consider this. So general solution of sin theta plus cos theta equals to minimum value of this. So we have to take minimum of this and this. So this is 1. So this is fixed value. And what is minimum value of the expression? So you know, if we consider this as minimum, so to find minimum value, we have to differentiate it or express it as a sum of 2 square. So a minus 2 whole square. A minus 2 whole square. So plus 2. So y greater than equals to 2. So what is the minimum value of this? Minimum value, minimum y equals to 2. But look, minimum value of 1 and 2 is obviously 1. So what will be our equations? So our equations will be sin x plus cos x equals to 1, and we have solved this equation repeatedly. So you know, dividing by 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cos x, 1 by root 2. So finally sin x plus pi by 4 equals to sin pi by 4. So what is the general solution? X plus pi by 4 n pi plus minus of 1 to the power n into pi by 4. So what is x? X is n pi plus minus of 1 to the power n into pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Obviously n belongs to z. So equation is not given directly. So minimum value of 1 and this. So minimum value is 2. So minimum of 1 and 2 is 1. So solving, we get this as general solution. Now look, problem number 6. Actually, this is problem of, so look, homogeneous, theory of solving homogeneous equation by determinant method. Homogeneous equations, 3 equations are given. So we know homogeneous equations, there are 2 possibilities. All the values are zeros. Then it is called trivial solution. Then determinant equals to non-zero. And for non-zero solution, what is the condition? Determinant is not equals to 0. So here for existence of non-trivial solution, so delta equals to sin 3 theta minus 1 1 cos 2 theta 4 3 2 7 7. So delta equals to 0. This is our first condition. So delta. Then we have to solve the value of theta. So expanding, so sin 3 theta. So for 28 minus 27, so 28 minus 21, 7. This is minus minus plus. So 7 cos 2 theta minus 6 plus 1 into 7 cos 2 theta minus 8 equals to 0. Look again, sin 3 theta 28 minus this is plus. So 7 cos theta minus 6 plus 1. So 7 cos theta minus 8. So our main aim will be to express it in terms of sin and cos. So sin 3 theta, so 3 sin theta, 7 into 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus 7 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 6 plus 7 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 8 equals to 0. Now we are getting trigonometric equation involving sine. So factorizing, we get solutions. So to complete it, now we consider another type of problem. So this type of problem we have to solve by using graph, idea of graph. So look, the smallest root of tan x equals to x lies in the interval this. 11. The number of solutions of the equations root over 1 minus cos x equals to sin x, pi less than x less than 2 pi, 0, 1, 2 and 3. One root of the equation cos x minus x plus half equals to 0 lies in this interval. Look, they are not purely in terms of, look, this one algebraic plus trigonometric, this also, this is trigonometric. So look, we try to solve problem number 11 first. So what is our equation? 1 minus cos x equals to sin x. So root over root 2 into mod sin x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. So this is sin x. So look, we draw graph of sin x and mod sin x by 2 within the interval pi to 2 pi. So for drawing graph, look, pi, so this is 0, pi, 2 pi. We need pi to 2 pi. 0, suppose this is pi, this one is pi and this one is 2 pi. This is 3 pi by 2, this is pi by 2. Now graph of sin x is very simple. Maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. So look, graph of sin x, sin pi 0, sin pi by 2 1, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 2 pi 0. So 0 to within pi to 2 pi. So this is graph of y equals to sin x. This is graph of y equals to sin x. This is 1. This one is minus 1. Now y equals to mod sin x by 2. Actually this one is graph of sin x, but we need the portion of this one. So look, at x equals to pi, so this is sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1 and it is multiplied by root 2, so 1.4. So at pi by 2, so value will be like that, at pi by 2. At 3 pi by 2, so look, at 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 4, sin pi by 2 into halves, 3 pi by 4. So this is 1 by root 2, pi minus pi by 4. 1 by root 2 multiplied by 2. So this is 1. The figure will be like that. And at 2 pi, so 2 pi, look, sin 2 pi by 2. So sin pi, this is 0. Sin pi, this is 0. So figure will be like that. This is 1. So this type of figure we are getting between this pi to 2 pi, this type of figure. So sin pi by 2 is 1. So find 1 into this, 3 pi by 2 this. So what is the interval? Pi to 2 pi. So let us verify the interval. Let us verify the interval. So we correct it. So we corrected, this is pi to 3 pi, pi to 3 pi. So we have to draw again, this is pi, 5 pi by 2, this is 3 pi. So sine curve, sine 2 pi 0, sine 5 pi by 2, this is again 1, and 3 pi is 0. So we are getting this type of curve. No need of drawing this one. And look, for this interval we have drawn up to this for 5 pi by 2. So for 5 pi by 2, this is 5 pi by 4, sine 5 pi by 4, sine 5 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Then multiplied by root 2, this is 1 since it is modular sign. So this one, and sine 3 pi by 2. So if we put 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. minus 1, but it is mod, so 1 into root 2. So figure will be like that, this one. Figure will be like that. So we are getting a figure like that, this. So this is y equals to mod sin x by 2, and this one, this is y equals to sin x. This is obviously multiplied by root 2. So how many solutions we are getting? Look, they intersect at 2 pi. They intersect at 5 pi by 2. So number of solutions equals to 2. So what are the solutions? 2 pi and 5 pi by 2. 2 pi and 5 pi by 2. Next. So this type of problem, you need idea of graph. So sin x by 2, this is mod. So above x-axis. Now look, problem number 17. So what is our equation? Cos x equals to x minus half. Transcendental equations, trigonometric equations, algebraic equations. So if we draw the curve, so look, from answer it is evident that x varying from 0 to 3 pi by 2. So 0 to 3 pi by 2, 0, this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, up to this from figure. So cos 0, 1 and minus 1. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, pi is minus 1, 3 pi by 2. So this one, and we are getting this type of curve, cos x 0 to this. Now y equals to x minus half. So x minus y equals to half. X minus y equals to half. So x by half minus y by half equals to 1. X minus y equals to half. So x by dividing by half. So it cuts x-axis at half 0. This is 1, half 0, and y-axis at minus half 0. So minus x-axis at half 0, sorry, half 0. This one is half 0, and y-axis at minus half 0. So if we draw the curve, you get figure like that, this one. So this is y equals to x minus half. So how many solution? Solution is this one. So we are not interested about values of x. We are interested the interval. Look, this solution lying between 0 to pi by 2. So solution is 0 to pi by 2. Now we consider these problems. So look, 13, 21, 22. Number of solutions of the equations in 0 to pi by 4 is theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi, satisfying the equation. Sum of all values of theta is of the form k pi. Find k. So these are problem of competitive examinations. These are integer type. The equation cot to the power 4x minus 2 cot square x plus a square equals to 0 has at least one solution. Then sum of possible values of a. So we consider problem number, last problem, this one. Look. So equation is cot to the power 4x 2 cosec square x plus a square. So this is simple problem. So you have to transfer in terms of single trigonometric ratio. So cot to the power 4x unchanged. This is 2 into cosec square x, 1 plus cos square x plus a square equals to 0. So what we are getting? Cot to the power 4x minus 2 cot square x plus a square minus 2 equals to 0. So cot to the power 4x minus 2 cot square x plus 1 to make it perfect square equal plus a square minus 3 equals to 0. So 1 minus 3, this is minus 2. So it is whole square. Cot square x minus 1 whole square equals to 3 minus a square. Now this is square term, therefore cot square x minus 1 whole square greater than equals to 0. This implies 3 minus a square greater than equals to 0. So what is a square minus 3 lesser than equals to 0? This is problem of quadratic inequations. So a minus root 3 into a plus root 3 equals to 0. So a belongs to minus root 3 belongs to a, sorry, less than a, less than equals to obviously less than root 3. So the equation has at least one solution. Then sum of all possible values of a. So there is a restriction, a must be integer, a belongs to z. So if a is z, so what are the values? Minus 1.73 lesser than equals to a, lesser than equals to 1.73. So integer is minus 1, 0, 1. So these are values of a. So a must be integer. The sum of all possible integral values of a, this. So these are the three values of a. So obviously sum is 0. Sum is 0. So this type of problems. So look, this is of integer type problem. Now we consider this one. So theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi, and look at the equations. Sin theta plus 2. So look from the equation. So what is the value of right hand side? Right hand side is 6. Now look, so sin theta, what is maximum value? 1. So minimum value is minus 1. If we take minimum value, this one is 2. Minus 1 plus 2, this is 1. If we take sin theta equals to minimum value, you look, this is 1 and this one is 2. Minus 1 plus 3. This is minus 1 plus 2 and this is minus 1 plus 4 equals to 6. So 6 equals to 6. So look at the type of the equations. We have solved this type of equation, sin theta plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 equals to 2. What are values of theta 1 and theta 2? Theta 1 equals to sin theta 1 1 sin theta 2 1, we get this. So similar type of problem. Here this equation is possible when sin theta is minimum, that is sin theta equals to minus 1. So sin theta minus 1. So look, only positive values between 0 to 4 pi. So one value is 3 pi by 2. So one value is 3 pi by 2. And another value is again adding 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2, sorry, plus 2 pi, full complete round. So if we add this one, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. And if we take 3 pi by 2 plus 4 pi, so this exceeds our interval. So these are the two values. So sum of all values of theta is of the form k pi. So what is sum of theta? Sum of solutions equals to 3 pi by 2 plus 7 pi by 2. So 8 pi by 2 equals to 4 pi. So it is of the form k pi. So what is k? K equals to 4. This is integer type problem. So look at the problem. You cannot solve the problem by ordinary method. Look, taking minimum value of sin theta. Then problem number 13. So look, this is well-known problem of multiple angle. Multiple angle. So you know, so this is to solve this type of equation. Actually, if you solve this, then we get this type of equation. So sin x by cos 3x. So we multiply both sides by 2 cos x. So 2 cos x into cos 3x. So it is sin 2x, and this is 2 cos x into cos 3x. So finally, you know, this can be expressed as difference of denominator, cos x, cos 3x. So if we simplify it, we get what? Half of tan 3x, sin 3x into cos x. So what we are getting? Tan 3x minus tan x. Tan 3x minus tan x. Sin 3x into cos x. Sin 3x, cos x cancel. Similarly, second one and third one. If we simplify, we get a relation like that. Half of tan 27x minus tan x. So this is well-known result of multiple angle, you know it. So this equation reduces to this equals to 0. So this equation reduces to what? Tan 27x equals to tan x, because right hand side is 0. So what is general solution? So n pi plus x. So 26x equals to n pi. X equals to n pi by 26. So if we put particular values, x equals to 0, this is pi by 26, 2 pi by 26, this is not included, 3 pi by 26, 4 pi by 26, 5 pi by 26, 6 pi by 26, 7 pi by 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So look, 7 pi, 180 into 7. So 7. So if we divide by 26, so this is 4. So 20, and this is greater than 45. This is greater than 45. So this one is not possible. So how many solutions? 6 solutions. So number of solutions 6. Number of solution 6. So look, actually it is problem of compound angle. Simplifying, we get this one. So this equals to 0. So this is general solution, and putting suitable values of n, number of solutions within 0 to 45 is 6. So number of solutions. Through these videos, we have discussed different types of typical problem of general solution of trigonometric equations. So they are all typical types. These are of multiple type questions. Number 2, integer type of questions. So you try to solve the rest of the problem. To get this type of videos, you please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.